This talks about depositing your cryptos into the Ballet crypto wallet. Firstly, let's install this app. If you are using an Apple or Android device, you should proceed to your App Store or the Play Store to get the Ballet crypto mobile app. Once installed, launch the app. The first interface, you should see a brief scan. You see a wallet, a scan function, and followed by more. With the Ballet crypto hardware wallet by the side, you click the scan. Once scanned, a digital version of the card exists on the app, and you are seeing the Bitcoin in the coin list right now. Let's navigate and take a look at what are the features found on the app. On the coins, firstly, we click the Manage tab, and there are other cryptocurrencies that are also available to be deposited on this wallet. Let's turn on Ethereum, and by turning on Ethereum, if we move back to the previous page, you should see Ethereum on the coin list. Before we move to the Ethereum address, we go to Bitcoin, and here are the address. You are seeing all the standard items, a QR code that you can snapshot and send it to your friends who's going to send Bitcoins over, or you can tap on the copy function to have the string of the public address copied in your clipboard. With that copied, you can go to the social messengers like WhatsApp, WeChat, or Line. Have this copied public address sent to the sendee and have the Bitcoin deposited in your Ballet crypto wallet. The same goes for Ethereum. Click on the Ethereum. The address for the Ethereum to be deposited should be presented on this screen, and below this QR code and the strings of public address, you are also going to see a transaction history of the ins and out of the respective cryptocurrencies on your wallet. Currently, we have one wallet. If we have more wallets to be used with the same app, we should consider giving this wallet a name. There is a receive button right here. It's also another way to get your public address to share it in this case and have the public address sent directly to the social messaging apps that you have on the phone. And with that, we should look at the send function in the next video. To send any cryptocurrencies from the Ballet crypto wallet, first launch the app and select the wallet, because I have only one wallet in this Ballet crypto wallet. So I'm going to tap into it, and when I tap into it, it reveals the cryptocurrencies that I have in the wallet. Currently, we are seeing $0, which means 0 tokens in Bitcoin and in Ethereum. And that's the reason why the send function is not functioning. It cannot be pressed. And as a result, since there's no tokens found in this wallet, I can't, for this demonstration, I'm unable to do a send, to use a test send function. However, we will refer to the user guide in sending the cryptocurrencies out of Ballet crypto wallet. Here is the user guide or the quick start guide on how to send a cryptocurrency out of the Ballet crypto wallet. In this page, it presents a very simple way on sending it out. And in this picture, you are seeing that there are cryptocurrencies in the wallet, and that's why the send function is enabled. And very quickly, like sending an email, once you click the send, you need to select the cryptocurrency that you're going to send, specify the amount, and then there is a fee, followed by a memo where certain sending of cryptocurrency is required. Once you have keyed in the details, you need to do a scan of the private key, followed by the specification of the wallet passphrase to decrypt the encrypted private key. And finally, To confirm the send, you click the send button and the transactions and signature is broadcasted to the network. And yes, the transaction is completed successfully. So this concludes my review on how to send cryptocurrency out of the Ballet crypto wallet.